In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a ledger in Zoho Books. Whether you're managing finances for your business or keeping personal accounts, having access to your ledger is crucial for tracking financial transactions. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you can do this with ease. First things first, you'll want to start by logging into your Zoho Books account. This will bring you to your Zoho Books home dashboard. If you're not already familiar with Zoho Books, it's a comprehensive online accounting software that helps manage your finances efficiently. Once you're in, the first thing you'll do is look to the left sidebar of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu of options. What you want to do next is click on Reports. This section houses a variety of financial reports that Zoho Books can generate for you. After clicking Reports, you'll be directed to a new page where you can access different types of financial reports. To find the ledger, just type Ledger into the search bar on this page. This will help you quickly locate the report you're looking for without having to scroll through a long list of options. Once you type in Ledger, you'll see an option for General Ledger. This is the report we need, so go ahead and click on General Ledger. The General Ledger report provides a comprehensive view of all your account transactions. It's a vital tool for analyzing your financial data, ensuring accuracy, and making informed business decisions. Now that you're on the General Ledger page, the next step is to download this information to your computer. Look towards the top right corner of the page. There, you'll find an Export button. Clicking this will give you options to download your ledger in various formats, such as PDF, Excel, or CSV. Choose the format that suits your needs best. For most users, Excel or CSV is ideal for further data manipulation or integration with other applications. Once you've selected your preferred format, the download will begin and you'll have a copy of your ledger saved locally on your computer. This document is now ready for reviewing, sharing with your accountant, or any other financial analysis you plan to conduct. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily download your ledger from Zoho Books. This process not only helps you keep a backup of your financial records, but also allows you to analyze your financial data at your convenience. Remember, staying on top of your financial transactions is key to managing your finances effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.